Tired of spending a fortune on product photo shoots? What if you could create stunning, high-quality images with just one photo? Let's be honest, finding the right model, setting up a studio, editing for hours, it's a lot. And sometimes, you wish you could just say, any chance you could use your imagination? Well, now you actually can. Meet WeShop AI, an AI-powered creative studio that lets you generate high-quality product images at a fraction of the cost. No models, no expensive shoots, just smart AI doing the heavy lifting. With WeShop AI, you can instantly generate 200+ hyper-realistic human models of all nationalities, ages, and gender identities. And here's the best part, you can reuse the same models across campaigns to keep your brand identity consistent. Want better lifestyle shots? Choose from over 200 indoor and outdoor backdrops to fit any theme, from chic city streets to cozy indoor settings. Turn one photo into a full campaign with just a few clicks. Need crisp, professional quality images? Upscale any image to 4K resolution while keeping details sharp and textures realistic. Perfect for clothing, jewelry, and graphic-heavy products. Oh, and if you need to swap backgrounds? Just upload your image and let WeShop AI remove it automatically. Customize it, color it, make it pop with your brand's vibe. Whether you're a content creator, an e-commerce seller, or part of a marketing agency, WeShop AI helps you create faster, better, and cheaper. No Photoshop skills required. This tool is a game changer. Think of it as a smarter alternative to Photoshop and Canva, all rolled into one seamless experience. So if you're ready to level up your product photography with AI, check out WeShop AI now. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more AI-powered tools and e-commerce tips.